Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Fadila Sihome with SRN 2330018. And in this video, I'm going to complete advanced grammar assignment. Happy watching.
Alright everyone, so there are 20 questions. Let's start from number 1. The research findings supported by additional data providing a clearer picture of the phenomenon. In the given sentence, the subject findings is plural, so the verb must also be plural. Jadi di sini kita harus mencari verbnya. Are is the correct form to ensure subject-verb agreement and to maintain the passive voice structure. So the correct answer is A, are. Karena subjeknya adalah plural, jadi kita juga harus mencari verb yang sesuai dengan subjek pluralnya. And the correct answer is are. Next question. Marie Curie, known for her pioneering research on radiation, one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. The correct answer is C, was. Di sini subjeknya adalah Marie Curie, and di sini yang hilang juga adalah verbnya. Jadi kita harus mencari verbnya mana yang cocok untuk subjek Marie Curie. And the correct answer is C. The sentence refers to a historical fact about Marie Curie, which requires the past tense. Was is the appropriate past tense verb to describe Marie Curie's status as one of the most influential scientists. The phrase, known for her pioneering research on radiation, is a participle phrase modifying Marie Curie-nya gitu. Next question. While their nest, birds display intricate building techniques. So the correct answer is A, constructing. The gerund constructing, jadi di sini topiknya adalah tentang gerund grammar. The gerund constructing forms a participle phrase that modifies the subject birds. This structure indicate simultaneous action where birds, jadi di sini subjeknya adalah birds as a subject, and display as a verb building techniques while they are constructing gerund atau constructing di sini adalah gerundnya their nest gitu. Jadi di sini while di depan itu kan ada preposition, and after preposition itu biasanya adalah verbing atau gerund. Jadi di constructing di sini perannya adalah sebagai gerund. Next question. The development of the internet in the 1990 marked a major shift in global communication. The correct answer is B, a breakthrough. Subjeknya di sini adalah the development of the internet, and mark di situ ada mark sebagai verb. The noun, jadi kenapa jawabannya yang B? The noun a breakthrough completes the sentence as the object of the verb mark. Jadi di sini kita mencari objeknya, and yang paling cocok adalah yang B. Nah, kenapa tidak yang C? Di situ ada tambahan is-nya. A breakthrough is, sedangkan is itu kan berperan sebagai verb. Nah, di sini kita sudah ada verbnya yaitu mark gitu. Next question. Until the final results, the experiment could not be considered conclusive. So the correct answer is B, the validation. Di sini subjeknya adalah the experiment, and verbnya itu modal. Di sini bentuk verbnya adalah modal plus B plus past participle. Jadi verbnya di sini adalah could not be considered atau couldn't be considered. Nah, the correct answer is B, the validation. The validation acts as the object of the preposition until, completing the prepositional phrase. It indicates that the experiment's conclusiveness is dependent on the validation of the final results. Next question. Blank 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 solve the issue of pollution. Scientists emphasize the importance of reducing emission. So the correct answer is A, 2. Di sini subjeknya adalah scientist, verbnya adalah emphasize, and then di sini to itu sebagai infinitive dari to solve-nya. Expresses purpose and explain why scientists emphasize reducing emission. Okay. Next question. In wetlands, blank blank blank, animals that are adapted to the humid condition. The correct answer is A, there are. Di sini subjeknya adalah animals, di mana subjeknya adalah plural atau jamak, and verbnya adalah are sebagai to be. Nah, existential there itu constructions. Jadi the phrase there are introduce the existence of animal adapted to humid condition. Nah, karena di sini subjeknya adalah animals di mana plural, so kita menggunakan are juga sebagai plural verb agreeing with the plural subject. Jadi kita pakainya there are. Next question. The most effective strategies for mitigating deforestation include blank 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 forest conservation and replanting efforts. The correct answer is A, promoting. Di sini subjeknya adalah the most effective strategies and verbnya include, it is a present tense. And so why the correct answer is A? The gerund promoting follows the verb include and function as the object, indicating the action to be taken. It maintains balance with the gerund replanting in the sentence. Jadi karena di situ ada ada and atau dan setelahnya itu adalah replanting, di mana replanting ini verb ing. Jadi kita juga menggunakan ing juga, verb ing untuk di depannya supaya seimbang atau balance gitu. Next question. Without regular updates, blank blank blank, difficult to ensure that software remains secure. The correct answer is B, it is. Subjeknya jadi di sini yang hilang adalah subjek dan juga verbnya. Jadi kita pilih yang is. Nah, kenapa tidak yang is-nya aja, tapi di sini kan belum ada subjeknya gitu. Jadi kita masih butuh subjek. Nah, karena setelahnya difficult itu adalah adjective, jadi kita butuh to be sebelumnya. The phrase it is introduces the clause and serves as the subject. This construction is necessary to form a grammatically complete sentence, indicating the difficulty of ensuring software security. Jadi di sini yang hilang adalah subjek dan juga verbnya. Next question. The team's success relies on blank 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 the resources at their disposal effectively. The correct answer is A, managing. Di sini subjeknya adalah the team's success, verbnya adalah release. Jadi managing di sini adalah gerund. The gerund managing acts as the object of the preposition on. It indicates the action necessary for the team's success, following the prepositional phrase structure. Next question. Blank 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 advanced robotic engineer can design more precise and efficient machine. The correct answer is using. Di sini subjeknya adalah engineer and verbnya can, design, model plus base firm. Using di sini as a gerund masih sama dengan yang sebelumnya. Jadi the gerund using di sini introduces the means or method by which engineer can achieve a global. Alright, next question. Without adequate training, blank 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 challenging to operate complex machinery. Sama seperti soal sebelumnya, di sini yang hilang adalah subjek dan verbnya. So the correct answer is A. It is. In this sentence, without adequate training is an introductory phrase. The phrase it is necessary to complete the sentence, making it the dummy subject and is the verb. This structure correctly indicates that operating complex machinery is challenging without proper training. Alright, next question. After blank blank blank, the experiment, the scientists reported their findings to the public. The correct answer is completing. A. Jadi di sini subjeknya adalah the scientist, verbnya reported, and then the phrase after completing the experiment is a gerund phrase acting as the object of the preposition after. Jadi gerund completing follows the preposition and functions as the object. The main clause of the sentence is the scientists reported their findings to the public, with the scientist as the subject and reported as the verb. And then next question. The island with its rich biodiversity blank 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 an ideal location for ecotourism. The correct sentence is remains, yang A. Jadi subjeknya di sini adalah the island, verbnya remains. Nah, di sini yang hilang adalah verbnya. The island is the subject of the sentence and remains is the verb. The phrase with its rich biodiversity is a non-essential clause providing additional information about the subject. The verb remains agrees with the singular subject the island. Jadi karena the island itu adalah subjek singular, jadi kita verbnya juga butuh yang singular. Jadi verb plus s di belakangnya. Maintaining proper subject-verb agreement. Next question. The analyst predicted that global markets blank 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 recover from the recession next year. The correct answer is A. Will. Jadi di sini subjek adalah global markets dan verbnya will recover. The clause that global markets will recover from the recession next year is a dependent clause introduced by the verb predicted in the main clause. Global markets itu bagian dua kata ini is the subject and will recover is the future tense verb phrase indicating a predicted action. Next question. Not only blank 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 the company reached its financial targets, but it also exceeded its sales goals. The correct answer is did, yang A. Subjeknya di sini adalah the company and verbnya adalah did reach. Okay. And then inversion is required after the negative adverbial phrase not only. The auxiliary verb did is placed before the subject the company, forming the correct structure did the company reach. Jadi main clause-nya di sini main clause continues with but it also exceeded its sales goals, karena not only itu ada pasangannya adalah but also. Di situ ada not only blank 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 but also. Next question. A well-rounded plan was developed blank blank blank. All potential obstacles were considered. The correct answer is C. Wherein. Subjeknya di sini adalah all potential obstacles and then verbnya were considered. The conjunction wherein introduces a clause that specifies the inclusion of all potential obstacle in the development process. The subject of this clause is all potential obstacle, and the verb is were considered. Next question. Despite unexpected delays, the project blank 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 on time. So the correct answer is B, was completed. Subjeknya di sini adalah the project and verbnya was completed ini. The project is the subject and was completed is the passive verb phrase. The passive voice indicates that the action of completing the project was done by an unspecified agent despite the delays. And then next question. The organization launched a new program. Blank 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 mission is to reduce waste, which received widespread acclaim. The correct answer is whose. Subjeknya di sini adalah mission and verbnya itu adalah is as a to be. The possessive relative pronoun whose introduces a clause providing additional information about a new program. Jadi whose di sini adalah possessive relative pronoun. The subject of this clause is mission and verbnya adalah is. And then the last question, the discovery of new fossils excited the team. Blank 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 led to further exploration of the site. The correct answer is N. Jadi di sini subjeknya adalah the discovery of new fossils yang first clause. Untuk yang first clause, kemudian untuk yang second clause ini subjeknya adalah it, implied in second clause. And then verb yang pertama ini adalah excited di first clause, and the second clause subjeknya verbnya adalah led. Verbnya adalah led. And then the coordinating conjunction and the correct answer and connect to independent clauses, yaitu the discovery of new fossil excited the team, dan satunya lagi and it led to further exploration of the site. The subject of the first clauses tadi sudah dijelaskan, jadi and di sini untuk menggabungkan dua klausa yang independen gitu, yang independent clause. Jadi and di sini berfungsi sebagai menggabungkan dua klausa.